Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Balloon gang behind thefts and robberies. Police detain and take fingerprints of around 200 roadside balloon sellers. Outgoing Deputy Sarpanch Cleophas Fernandez attacks Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo at Tinto Arpora, hits him with danda. MLA Lobo suffers hand injury. Government signs 5 lease deeds on Friday, 4 of Sargonkar and 1 of Kundagarse, remaining to be through by next week. Recruitment Society employees sitting on indefinite hunger strike claim threats from BJP bigwigs. Congress backs agitators. BJP denies charges. Goan tennis star Natasha, delighted with Sports Excellence Award, says Dilip Sardesai was her inspiration. Geno Sports Awards mark 15 years of recognizing budding sportspersons. And FC Goa storm into semi-finals of inaugural Indian Super League. Zico's boys trounced Chennai in 3-1 in Chennai. Now the news in detail. Goa police suspect that several recent cases of robbery are committed by the roadside balloon sellers. Goa police till now has detained, questioned and registered fingerprints of about 200 roadside balloon sellers. Police station inspectors will have to mandatorily stay on night duty for 5 times a week. CM has also assured to make forensic lab fully functional. Goa police has trained 3 to 5 cops in every police station to obtain fingerprints from a scene of crime.
Recent cases of robberies in the state has jolted Goa police efficiency. A team led by SP Crime Branch is investigating these cases. Police suspect that these robberies are committed by roadside balloon sellers. In this wake, Goa police has now made it mandatory to all PIs to remain present in the respective police stations during night time for minimum 5 nights a week.
Last few days, some cases of robbery or housebreaking has been reported. So we have analysis and observed that during the night time, intensive patrolling by the inspector or PI should be carried out along with the staff. So we have ordered that all PI should stay during the night time in the police station so that they can supervise and monitor the patrolling in the area, and any complaint comes or any incident happens, they can immediately take positive action.
Police team has obtained 3 fingerprints from the scene of crime of robberies from Madgaon. Following that, police started a massive drive to detain, question and take fingerprints of roadside balloon sellers. About 200 fingerprints have been taken so far and have been sent to State Forensic Science Laboratory for analysis and matching.
We have organized the training program for the police constables in each police station to lift the fingerprint and develop the fingerprints, because as on date, the crime team from the FSL Varna will reach to the spot, which is time taking. So we want that in each police station the fingerprint expert should be there. So the 4 to 5 police constable or head constable have been dedicated, earmarked, and they have been trained by our expert team from FSL. And now I can say in every police station there are 4 to 5 police personnel.
Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar on Friday held a meeting with the senior officers of Goa Police and reviewed security and law situation of the state. IGP Sunil Garg said that government has agreed to do required appointments to make state's forensic science laboratory functional. Meanwhile, North Goa collector has notified Azad Maidan and Kampal ground to hold dharna in Panji. IGP Sunil Garg also commented that now onwards, dharna at other than these 2 places will be considered as illegal. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo was attacked by outgoing Deputy Sarpanch Cleophas Fernandez at Tinto Arpora on Friday evening. Cleophas hit MLA Lobo with danda. Sources claim that Cleophas demanded money from the MLA for organizing an event and started arguing when Lobo denied to oblige. Michael Lobo was shifted to district hospital at Mapsa. His hand has suffered injury. This is the third incident within a year wherein a MLA has been attacked.
One history sheeter from Arpora who has got around 25 cases on him, Cleophas Fernandez. And सांचो येवन माझे कडेन झगडी करूंक लागलो. When I was inspecting the road, आमी कॉफी पिवंक वयताले तेन्ना स्टॉप केलो ताणें म्हाका आनी झगडी केली. आनी 1 लाख रुपया मागूंक लागलो. तेच तो सॅटर्डे नायट बाजाराचें लायसन दिलां पंचायतीन. तेजे 1 लाख रुपया हो हांगता पंचायत मेंबरांनी आपल्याक दिवंक जाय. कोण जाणा कसले 1 लाख कितें मागता. He assaulted me with some wooden object like a danda on my head, and I put my hand like this. I have filed complaint. I called 100 and police came. I filed complaint in Anjuna police station.
Goa government signed 5 lease deeds on Friday. 4 leases are of Salgaonkar and 1 of Kundagarse. Remaining 8 leases will be cleared by next week. Altogether, 13 leases would be renewed in the first phase. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.